Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided that I am going to do a faux flower pot, and I wanted to share with you how I'm doing it or creating it. I ordered these flowers from Temu, and I decided I've never done that before, so I thought, well, you know what, I'm going to try it. And they came in purples, yellows, white, and more purple. And I wanted to do like a mixed flower pot. And the reason I wanted to do this simply is because I have a spot outside that does not get watered all the time because I always forget. So it's very, very hot there, and every time I planted geraniums or petunias in this pot, they always dry out. So anyways, I'm just going to show you how I do it. What I did is I started with 4 big rocks in the bottom of this container. I wished I had taken the video earlier to show you right from the beginning. But first of all, I tried styrofoam, and I made such a mess that I decided, and it was too light, and I had styrofoam all over the kitchen and everywhere, so I do not recommend using styrofoam for one. Plus, it does not give you any weight in the pot. So I've redone this pot. This is going to be the third time. So third time's a charm, and I thought I would share the way to do it with you. So first of all, order your plants or your flowers, and or just pick them up at Amazon or somewhere. So I'm going to start with 2 large ones kind of in the center. And these are kind of a purple flower, as you can see. I'm just going to aim them kind of 2 different directions, but I want that to be kind of the focal center. Then I'm just going to add more purple flowers all the way around. Not those ones, these ones. So these are like one full bunch, but these ones all come in these little stems. So I'm just going to poke them around on the outside. And I'm hoping the sand is going to keep them secure in place. So I'm just poking them all around, and I'm going to use quite a few because this is a fairly large pot. It's probably at least a 14 or 15 inch pot that I have here. So now I've got the purple in there, and then I'm just going to add some red. One of the things I did learn when you're doing these flower pots, because I told you I've done this 3 times now, I'm redoing it. One thing is to make sure to have more of a natural look. You want to have it kind of spread out. You don't want to have one cluster of color all in one spot. It just doesn't look the way when you get a basket that has all the pretty colors in it. I'm going to flip this around in a second so you can kind of see how it's shaping up. So next I'm going to add some of the white, and again I'm just going to be poking them in any bare spots that I see, which there's quite a few because like I said, it's quite a large pot. And you know, you can do whatever colors you want. I kind of like the mixture variety, but you can see how it's starting to take shape. And when you're using different colors, it really does add, you know, it just makes it to be a beautiful pot. So I do have 3 of these that are quite large. So I'm looking around here and I'm thinking there's a few bare spots that kind of need a little bit more. So that's where I'm going to poke these bigger ones in. Normally I would start with all the big ones first, but I did not do that. I just thought I'll wait and see what the bare spots are. And you can kind of see here, there's a few little bare spots. I'm just going to poke them in, and it just fills it up quite nicely. And it's not done, but you can see how pretty that looks. So next I'm going to add the yellow, and this to me was when it really, I'm going to say, came to life with the bright yellow. It just adds so much more color to it. And I just absolutely love adding that little touch of yellow in here. And because this is quite a heavy pot, I don't have to worry that it's going to be, that my flowers are going to, you know, blow out in the wind. And if they do, they do, but I don't think they will, because the sand is kind of anchoring them in there. And it gives a nice, a really nice weight to this pot. So if this is something that interests you or you found inspiring, subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of different things on it, but today I just wanted to share this pot with you and how to do it. So thanks so much for watching. If it's something that you like, give it a like. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see my tablescapes, my gardening, all kinds of different things I put on there. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great, great day.